Then the next was really the corruption. And ang drugs, my God. Tong corruption, in my time, during my watch, there will be no corruption, period. Kaya yesterday, I was reading the Inquirer or isa pa, Daily Bullet. Yung letters to the editor, meron doon babae that she was given the go around. She had to kept on going back to the, sinabi ko sa staff, hanapin ninyo ito. Kung anong opisina nito, sabihin ninyo, pinatawag ko sila dito. Kakasabi ko lang sa inaugural speech ko, you are paid to do your work. Kung gusto mo nang di mo kaya ng gobyerno magbayad, maghanap ka ng ibang, punta ka kay Ayala o kay Gokongwit. Don't give you a better salary, but you know, kung sa gobyerno pumasok ka, hanggang diyan ka lang talaga. You must do that. When you, you enter into government service, you must realize na hanggang diyan ka lang. And that is very important. Ay, corruption, left and right, pati yung mga bala. That's why is this government oppressing its own people? No, answer me that. Sabi ko, bakit? Kaya kung wala, sabi ko, so it has to stop. Lahat, from the office of the president down. Ayoko nang ganun.
Alin po?
Ayoko. I told stop it. I'm saying it publicly, stop it. Number one is that corruption must stop. Corruption tanan. 3 months to 6 months. Borningan ako tanan. Corruption must stop. Droga must stop. Criminality must stop. Then I would go into an inclusive talks with all New People's Army, NDF, Communist Party of the Philippines. Then I would talk to the MI, MN. Pero ako wala ko ikuhan sa kriminal o droga. Wala yun na. At tinawag ka mo kung sa'yo gobyerno away corruption. Ilmo na po sila. Hoy, kamong mga yawa ng gobyerno, kung di ka di kumukurap, ayaw kong unahin. Kay paksyon tagyong ka. Pero makurap ko, sige, larga na mo. Muna na ikadaot niya. Basta asa ni kurap, putang ina, di ko na mo tuong sa obos. Pero pag tinarong na, inga, basta ba, no, putang ina ka, bantay ka sa ako. Ay, Jun, ibas ko. Remember that I was elected as president on the basis of, I said, I will try to improve things in this country and make it comfortable for everybody. Ang bala, pagpunta ka doon sa LTO, hindi mo makuha yung plate number mo, isang taon na, babalik-balik ka. Those are oppressions. It has to stop. Ako sabi ko sa inyo, corruption must stop. Automatic yan. Drugs must be stopped. Gagamitin ko ang police pati military to go after drugs. Ang utos ko sa kanila, patayin mo. May TV. Ay, ganun talaga. Kaya yung... So, yung drugs will disappear. Kaya ako nagbigay ng limit ko sa sarili ko. 3 months, para talaga pressure ako. 3 to 6 months, tapos ang kriminal, mawala ang droga. Patayan yan, ha? Sinasabi ko sa inyo, patayan yan. Mawala ang droga at ang corruption sa gobyerno matatapos. Anong silbi ko kung ako presidente? Huwag mong gawin sa Davao, hindi ito pitsugin, ha? Yun ang treatment ko sa pag. Kita mo behave sa Davao. Mag-checkpoint ka niya, kuha ka na pera. Yung pera na kinuma, kailangan isauli mo pareha yung serial number.
Kasi dito, kinuha niya, dollar. Nagbaradero ang barko eh. So may dala-dalang dollar. Kinuha na doon sa... Sabi ko, pag hindi mo na sa ulo yan, dollar niya, hanapin kita, barilin kita, patayin kita. O kasi banilikan niya doon sa Aldibing ko. Saan niya pinapalitan niya dollar? Sabi naman ng mga maranaw doon, wala na, kasi na-exchange naman ng, wala na, balik siya. Sabi niya, sir, wala naman. Sabi ko, patayin kita, ngayon na. Sabi niya, sir, hindi sir, magbayad na ako ng interest. Magkano yung dolyar, piso? Sir, mga 30 million. Sige, dublihin mo. Isauli mo 60. Pag hindi,
to the drug and to the yung criminal. I will do it. Clean this country. Even, makinig kayo, even if it would cost me my life, my honor of the presidency. Pag ako ang na-presidente, gagawin ko yan. Makinig kayo para to avoid the heartaches of heartaches ng tao. Gagawin ko yan. At kung magsabi ito sila Trillanes, magkudikta sila, well, I will declare a revolutionary government. Pag ginawa nila, that's very serious. And I have to meet the exigency. I will not hesitate to declare a revolutionary government. But I will protect you. And the ordinary tao will be placed not really in a pedestal, but importante. And my legislation for itong taon na ito hanggang Disyembre, para sa mga taong naghirap, para sa Pilipinong mahirap.
Buuin po natin yung sentence, Mayor. Matatapos ang kampanya na ito na. Buuin niyo po yan.
Matapos na itong kampanya, ngayong gabi, alas 12 yan. Pero dayain ko sa relo. I-atras ko. Gusto ko na yung mga nasa droga, kriminal, kumakhinto kayo. Ngayon, kung matapos, pag nagkita pa tayo bukas, pasensyahan. Yung corruption sa government, I have one message for all of us in government. It's STOP. Stop. Whatever you're doing, stop. That is my message. Sa mga corrupt, stop. Maraming salamat po.
Give me a sense of how it looks to you from the vantage point of one of the most successful and largest e-commerce organizations in history. So tell us a little bit about what your idea was.
Maybe from further degradation for us Filipinos is to improve on the economy. Really improve, maybe disperse and invite more investors. It's always money. It's infrastructure that's really lacking in our system. When I was in college, I had a professor who said that, economics is the law of supply and demand. What we do not have, we import. What we have and they ask for it, we export. The only problem is that the businessman, the investor would always look for the safest, the cheapest, and the fastest way of moving people and goods. That's about it. And I said, let me dwell on something else. It's agriculture. You want to raise the economy. How do you raise the economy? You have to start with people, the small and medium. Okay, you have to borrow. We give loans. We do not give grants. But the problem, I said, is if you do not improve on the law and order, because most of that money will not be invested on real estate. It could not be into manufacturing. It's just what trading, small business. Oh, how do they thrive?
Just to be clear, but the point is that they did not have to make some of the massive infrastructure investments. This is part of the reason why the old idea of development and environmental sustainability, I think, is outdated. What have been the biggest challenge for you in terms of scaling up?
I was able to do it. Pagka-presidente ako, pag sinabi mo, Ang ina ka. Huminto ka. Huminto ka. Ako ang presidente, pag sinabi ko sa custom, stop. Stop ka. Ihulog kita niya sa... Pag sinabi ko sa BIR, stop it, stop people, stop it. Unahin ko because I have to take control of our country. It's in disorder. Every facet of life, the Filipino, be the sidewalks, the highways, parking everywhere, I have to take control.
Mabuhay ang Moro! Mabuhay ang Moro! Mabuhay ang Moro! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Ako po'y tumatakbo ng presidente. Kasi ayaw ko sana. Pero binabantayan ko yung lahat na kumandidato ng presidente noong nakita ko na walang pag-asa ang Mindanao at tayong lahat dito, kima Kristiyanos o Mamoro, sabi ko masama ang lagay. Bakit? Pinangakuan nila ang Bangsamoro ng BBL. Sinabi ko na noon, duda ako dyan, ididribo lang nila. Totoo nga, dumating ang panahon na matatapos na lang ang administrasyon ni Aquino, walang BBL na lumabas. Ngayon, napahiya tayo. Kaya ako tinitignan ko, nakita naman ninyo, sino ang kandidato dito sa tatlo na nagsasabi ang problema ng Moro, ang problema ng BBL, ang problema sa kawalaan pati gutom. Wala!
College of Law, aral kami sa library. Malamig man dito. Beer muna tayo dyan sa Ligarda. Di ba, Mindiola? Saan beda ako eh? Tapos sa baba may Ligarda. Yan kanto na yan, kung mapunta kayo, ice cold beer. Sabihin mo, sino, di nag-inom si Duterte, Dre? Ano order niya? I-ice cold beer. Ice na sa sulod-subong. Oo. At pag graduate sa College of Law, 76, okay naman. Walang problema daw. Abogado ng valedictorian si Artugade, training manager sa Clark Airways, Clark Development. Pareho man diploma namon. Pero admission to the bar, huwag man gibutang ang grado namon dyan. Ngayon, sila na Sonny Dominguez became the president of PAL, Agriculture Secretary ni Cory. Tugade, valedictorian, manager ng... Ako lang naman, so naging fiscal, naging mayor. Simply small corner city in the Philippines. Yan lang naabot ko. Pero pagka nagdiskasyahan itong 75 na ito, presidente ito, buang.